is a sustainable leader in milking equipment and solutions for dairy farmers worldwide. To optimize warehouse space at their northern Germany facility, they integrated two 10-meter vertical buffer module Kardex compact buffers from Kardex Remstar. We chose the Kardex compact buffer because it fits our needs perfectly. We improved warehouse picking speed and accuracy by routing the boxes directly to one location and increased warehouse space by buffering the boxes and utilizing the full ceiling height. De Laval's employees pick, scan and place items into blue storage bins. Via an automated conveyor belt, approximately 900 bins are transferred daily to one of the two Kardex compact buffer storage systems. De Laval's warehouse now features a faster order fulfillment process, increased picking accuracy, and significantly more storage space. SAP signals the Kardex compact buffer when the last position of an order has been stored and immediately conveys all bins belonging to the order to one of 6 packing stations. Here, approximately 1,000 to 1,500 parcels are packaged and shipped daily.